Replacing the printer ink ribbon. Turn off the instrument. Pull out the hinged plate of the printer mechanism. Unscrew the two fastening screws. Note: Phillips star screwdriver is required. Tilt the printer mechanism upwards. Gently lift the printer mechanism from the groove and remove it from the printer housing. Flip over the printer mechanism. Press the eject indication on the printer ink ribbon and unlatch the ribbon. Carefully insert the new ribbon. Flip over the printer mechanism. Verify that the cables run over the top of the printer. Do not pull or twist the cables that attach the ribbons to the printer mechanism. Verify that the paper feeds through the paper slot. Screw in the two fastening screws. Push in the hinge plate of the printer mechanism carefully, making sure not to jam the paper. A magnet will lock the printer in place. Turn on the instrument. The printer will automatically line feed and should push the paper through the outside paper slot of the printer housing. If this does not occur, select Paper Feed from the Instrument Settings menu. If you would like more information about B2 and our products, please visit our website. And if you have any technical queries about your B2 device, please contact our technical support at support@b2hv.com.